Hello everyone. Today's topic is 10 unhealthy habits should be avoided during cooking and serving for kids. Yes, we mothers did lots of mistake during cooking and serving for our little ones. First of all, use steel utensils instead of aluminium and non-stick. Use iron tawa instead of non-stick tawa, right? Use homemade cloths or aluminium foil for chapati wrapping instead of paper or plastic wrap. Use steel tiffins and bottles instead of plastic tiffins and bottles. Use pink salt. Yes, pink salt is Lahori namak. Use pink salt instead of table salt. Use jaggery and dhaga mishri instead of table sugar. Never ever use refined oil for your little one. We recommended you to use cold press, wood press, kachi ghani oil like sesame oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil, but don't go for refined oil. Give homemade food instead of mess. Yes, in school they give us mess facility, but I recommended you to give them homemade food because you don't know the way they are cooking, you don't know how much hygiene they are using, so give them homemade food instead of mess. Give homemade snack instead of packed unhealthy food. Snacks options are many. You can give them lotus seed, roasted chana, popcorn, chidwa, that is basically a puff rice, 2-3 pieces of coconut, dry fruit namkeen, that made with sabudana basically. And you can make all this at your home. These are very easy to make and they are very healthy for your little one. Give homemade peanut spread instead of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is very unhealthy for kids. You can give them peanut spread. You can give them chocolate spread instead of mayonnaise. Because 1 spoon of mayonnaise is equal to 5 chapatis. Give bran roti or choker roti instead of this maida wheat roti that you are giving to your child. Should be choker wheat roti, and you can mix 5 grains to your atta basically. So what are the 10 unhealthy habits should be avoided during cooking and serving for kids? We should avoid aluminium, and non-stick. Avoid table salt and table sugar. Avoid refined oil that you reuse also. Avoid it. Avoid mess food. Unhealthy packed food. Avoid unhealthy packed food. Avoid bran-less roti or chapati. Avoid aluminium and non-stick utensils and use steel utensils instead of that. You can use iron tawa instead of non-stick tawa. Avoid table salt and table sugar. Use pink salt, jaggery and dhaga mishri instead of that. Avoid refined oil, and you are using also refined oil. That is very bad. Use sesame oil, coconut oil, ghee, mustard oil, and olive oil. And these sesame oil, coconut oil and mustard oil will be better if it is wooden pressed or cold press. Mess food. Instead of mess food, give homemade food to your child. Instead of unhealthy packed food, give them healthy homemade food. Instead of bran-less chapati or choker-less chapati, give them chapati that is full of choker, plus you can add 5 grains to it. Bran roti and 5 grains. Mayonnaise. Instead of mayonnaise, you can give them peanut spread or chocolate spread. Thank you.
Parents, if you find it helpful, please like and share it. Thanks for watching.